Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we can discuss about the SIEM tool. So just imagine if you are monitoring thousands of devices, user activities, server logs and security events manually, it would be almost impossible. So that's why organizations are using one tool called SIEM. SIEM stands for Security Information and Event Management. Its main job is to collect, analyze and monitor security logs from across the environment and in one centralized platform. So each and every device will generate the logs in every second. So for example, firewall will generate the traffic logs. Windows servers will generate the authentication logs. VPNs will generate remote access logs. Endpoints will generate the malware alerts. And DNS servers will generate the query logs. So SIM will collect all these logs in real time and store them in a one place. So it is easy to SOC analyst can monitor everything from one single dashboard. But SIM will do more than just collecting the logs. It will analyze the raw events to identify some suspicious activity, malware executions, and unusual malicious traffic. So SOC analyst will investigate these raw logs to understand what's happening inside the network. So one of the most powerful feature of SIM is correlation. A single failed login may not be looks dangerous, but if SIM sees multiple failed logins followed by some suspicious PowerShell activity, malware execution, and unusual outbound traffic from the same device, so it will understand these events may be connected as part of real cyber attack. So SIM then combine these events and it will generate one high severity alert for the SOC analyst. So this will help security teams to quickly detect and respond to the attacks like a phishing, ransomware, brute force attempts, malicious script, and insider threats, and also suspicious outbound connections. So without SIM, many attacks could stay hidden inside the network for days or even months. So that's why SIM is considered one of the most important tool used inside every modern security operations center. Please follow this channel for more real cybersecurity SOC updates. Thank you so much.